Welcome back to Aviation This Week. Today's edition is brought to you by Lavero Aviation, your aviation solutions provider. Your top story: Mitsubishi assembles its first GTF PW1200G engine in Komaki. Then Flying Colors breaks ground on a new hangar. And Lockheed Martin Canada joins forces with L3 MAS for RCAF training procurement competition. We'll have all your aviation news right after this quick message from our sponsor. Pratt & Whitney and Mitsubishi Heavy Industries aero engines achieved a significant production milestone on the assembly of the GTF PW1200G engine, which is to be used to power the Mitsubishi Regional Jet MRJ. This will be Japan's first jet aircraft developed by Mitsubishi Aircraft. The first PW1200G engine assembly was completed at Mitsubishi's facility in Komaki, Japan. This engine is designated to be used in the MRJ flight test program. Established in 2014, the Mitsubishi facility in Komaki will be one of two production assembly and test sites for the PW1200G engine. The engine is also assembled and tested at Pratt & Whitney's Mirabel Aerospace Center near Montreal. The MRJ is described as Mitsubishi's next-generation regional jet, powered exclusively by Pratt & Whitney GTF engines. Mitsubishi Aircraft anticipates first delivery of the MRJ in mid-2020. Flying Colors broke ground on a 100,000 square foot hangar at its primary location in Peterborough, Ontario, scheduled for completion in mid-2019. This will be Flying Colors' largest hangar, large enough to hold A220 size aircraft. The company estimates the new hangar will be an investment of approximately $25 million. John Gillespie, CEO of Flying Colors, explains the facility will provide capacity for completions, refurbishment, and heavy maintenance work on large jet airframes. The new facility will also include a climate-controlled paint shop and workshops for interiors. In addition to its expansion in Peterborough and recent move into Singapore, Flying Colors is also now completing an upgrade of a fifth hangar at its St. Louis facility by adding 40,000 square feet, expected to be complete in January 2019. Lockheed Martin Canada and L3 MAS are working together in the procurement competition to provide military aircrew training services for the Government of Canada's Future Aircrew Training Program. In 2016, industry was advised of the new scope of this procurement process through a letter of interest. After engaging with 84 companies earlier this year to determine its needs, Canada in December 2018 established a list of qualified suppliers with an ability to meet the government's needs. This includes Airbus Space and Defence, Babcock Canada, BAE Systems, Leonardo Canada, Skyline Canada, and Lockheed Martin Canada. This is Annex Business Media's Niche TV. Thanks again to our sponsor, Lavero Aviation, your aviation solutions provider.